Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, uh, it is our first lecture of biology class 8. We will start our first chapter, which is introduction to biology. So let's start with the term biology. Biology is actually the combination of two Greek words in which bio mean life or living, and logy mean study. So the study of life or the study of living organism is called biology. The term biology was introduced by Carolus Linnaeus in 1736. Now, all living organism on earth can be classified into three main groups. All living organism, whether they are plants, animals, or microorganism, they can be grouped into three main divisions, in which the first is uh, botany, then we have zoology, and the third one is microbiology. So botany is the study of plants, and zoology is the study of animals, and microbiology is the study of microorganism like bacteria and viruses. So all of you will be familiar with plants and animals, but if we look at the term microorganism, so I think it will be a new term for you students. So microorganism are those organisms which are too small and they cannot be seen with naked eye. So for them we use microscope to study. So microbiology is the study of microorganism like bacteria and viruses, like coronavirus, which is very familiar these days. So now uh, let's discuss some of the branches of biology. The first one is morphology. uh, Morphology is also a Greek word, and it is comprised of two words in which morph mean external and logy means study. So the study of external parts of living organism, like shape and structure, is called morphology. Then we have another branch which is called anatomy, in which ana mean cut and tomy mean pieces. So we were discussing about anatomy. The term anatomy is also a Greek word in which ana mean cut and tomy mean pieces. So anatomy is actually the study of internal parts of living organism. Uh, you will be surprised that what is the relation of the term anatomy with the internal parts. So if we see the anatomy term, in which ana mean cut and tomy mean pieces. So if you want to study an animal or a plant, if you want to study its internal parts, then you have to cut animal or plant into pieces, and then you will study them in detail. So for study the internal parts of living organism, we have to cut them into pieces, and then we can study them. So anatomy is actually the study of internal parts of living organism. Now the third branch of biology is histology, in which it is also a Greek word in which histo mean tissue and logy means study. So it is the branch of biology in which we study tissue of plants and animals. Now what is tissue? So tissue is actually a combination of cells which has same function.